We're in Tribeca right now and we're headed over to khe-yo to meet Chef Sule Petschwader and his mother Supan, who's actually in town from Kansas to celebrate the Lao New Year. A lot of Laotian restaurants are actually marketed as Thai because of the extreme lack of knowledge concerning Lao food and the fear that the business might suffer as a result. After working around the country in various different kitchens, Chef Sule Pet opened up the first Laotian restaurant in New York and has made it a point to share the food of his upbringing to a wider audience.
I always tell people that I was born in Laos, but I grew up in Kansas. So then the question is always like, how did you guys end up in Kansas? My uncle, who was already in Wichita, was working with someone that was a major sponsor for a lot of Laotian families. His name was Jack Fishbag. He was always considered the godfather of the Laotian community. The other thing that people are surprised about is that there is a decent Laotian community in Wichita. So growing up, my mom cooked traditional Laotian food.
So tell me about Lao New Year and what's going to happen later on.
Tonight, we're going to start with the blessing string over there.
And the whole idea is to let the bad spirits out and then bring the good spirits in. So the menu tonight is really based on all traditional Laotian dishes that I grew up with. You know, I try to tell people there's no wrong way to eat it. You have sticky rice as the base. I think there's a saying where the children of sticky rice, Laotians are.
I've heard that. I want to be a child of sticky rice.
And we have fish jerky, which actually my uncle, he goes fishing for crappie and he'll split it and his wife will sun dry it. And then there's always smashed papaya salad. If you went to any Laotian household, these are the dishes that you would get there.
Now I'm gonna bring something up because I can spot a Hennessy label a mile away.
Growing up, weddings, funerals, birthdays.
Get them right.
Hennessy would be at the party. When my mom got remarried in like '97, it was like 8 cases of Hennessy at the party.
And you're gonna get shot, not mix.
That's a party though. Thanks to the ever-giving Mekong River, fish is at the forefront of Laotian food. Sauces are always found on the table to dip into, and jiao som, also known as bang bang sauce at khe-yo, happens to be extremely spicy. Jerky in general is a way to sustain food, but in this context it allows you to taste fish prepared in a different way. Ka pun nampa is the soup that's found on the stove for those that came too late to the party. It's made from coconut milk, but it balances really well from the fat drawn out from the pork ribs that it's cooked with. And with any Laotian meal, the first thing that's set on the table is sticky rice.
All right, Mom, you wanna do the blessing?
This year, come in, bad thing, go out. 3 good, 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 and good. New Year's coming, the string gonna bless you and protect you.
Thank you so much, thank you.
Thank you.
I feel like this isn't even the whole spread and it's already looking amazing. Of course it isn't. I'm just in sensory overload right now. Laotian people tend to eat with their hands, so you can put the cutlery and chopsticks down. Where would you start?
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice? Okay.
Make the balls. Can you bring the lab here?
Okay, so that's the lab. Lab is a kind of meat salad that is a Laotian staple that brings good luck and can always be found at a party. Wow, that's kind of spicy. I wasn't expecting it to be so spicy. So this jerky, I was told I can eat any part of this, so I'm gonna have some of the eye.
My daughter loves you.
The eyeball is good. Pompa is like a stew, but it has a thicker, more reduced consistency and it's eaten cold.
You can eat with cucumber,
That doesn't need cucumber. That's delicious. It's very smoky and just very rich.
Almost every party, we have to have this soup like that. Pour this over.
Can I just drink some of the soup out of the bowl? Yeah? Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Mokpa is fish that's steamed in banana leaves with basil, dill, lemongrass, and it seems simple, but the way it's prepared helps retain an unbelievable amount of flavor.
I don't eat catfish.
You don't eat catfish?
I raise the catfish and I don't eat catfish.
You raise catfish and you don't want to eat catfish. I don't have that problem. I'm gonna have to eat the catfish.
You. They say, Mom, it tastes good.
I'm sorry about your catfish friends, but that's delicious.
Now, you want to try the bang bang?
Yeah.
Be careful, kind of hot.
Okay. Oh, now it's spicy. Wow. Now I know why it's called Bang Bang.
So how was everything?
So delicious.
Awesome.
Sometimes when you have friends over, we get shot, you know.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click here to see some more. All right, cheers, guys.
Happy Be My.
ครับสบายดีปีใหม่
Happy New Year. She's fine, you're fine.
Okay.
It's like I do this every day. The richness of Ethiopian culture is evident in its cuisine, and we're in Bushwick to meet Khadija Saraji over a plate of injera and to talk to her about the coffee ceremony that her cafe is named after, Bunna.